I was young, the ZEISS name was it when it come to top of the line optics companies, and it's what the best of the best were using at the time. Here it is a half a century later, and ZEISS is still cranking out top of the line products like these V6 rifle scopes. These long-range rifle scopes are designed and built in Germany with the finest of European craftsmanship. They're built on a 30mm tube, which gives you a tremendous amount of vertical adjustment for those long-range shots out west. Available in 3 different magnifications, but the 2 higher magnification units are ideal for the Western hunter. The 3 to 18 by 50, which provides a whopping 103 minutes of vertical adjustment and 58 minutes of windage adjustment. And the 5 to 30 by 50, which gives you 62 minutes of vertical adjustment and 34 minutes of windage. A good example of what this really means is that my Browning 26 nozzler, which shoots a 127 grain Barnes bullet out the muzzle at 3,650 feet per second, is going to use only 15 minutes of adjustment to get me on target at 1,000 yards with a 200-yard zero. This still leaves me a lot of room for vertical travel to shoot past 1,000 yards. One thing you'll really notice about these scopes is their size. These things are a high magnification scope with a 6x zoom factor, and they're the most compact scope on the market today. Not only are they compact, they are extremely lightweight. When you're looking for a great scope to pack, this is about as good as it gets. The 3 to 18 model weighs in at 22 ounces, and the 5 to 30 only weighs 28 ounces. Being lightweight and compact is one thing, but you have to be able to see your target to hit it. The Conquest V6 delivers an amazing 92% light transmission, which is achieved with the fluoride lenses with T-star lens coating. This will allow you to see well past legal shooting light. Both windage and elevation are uncapped. The elevation turret provides multiple revolutions as well as a solid zero stop. ZEISS refers to this as the ballistic stop. They have a fast focus eyepiece for crisp focus on your crosshairs, as well as parallax adjustments for those long range targets. It has a large power selector ring which moves through the range with minimal effort, and an optional throw lever is available as well. There are several different reticle options available on these second focal plane scopes. These are all important things in high-end scopes, but trackability is the most important aspect of a scope when you'll be using it for long-range shooting. What this means is with each scope being a 1/4 MOA adjustment, every click should move your point of impact a 1/4 inch at 100 yards. So 4 clicks will move you a point of impact to 1 inch. The simplest way to check this is to use your vertical line, or what some call a tall target, with your zero at the bottom. Shoot a 3-shot group at 100 yards, and then adjust your turret up 20 minutes and fire another 3-shot group. Go downrange and measure your group to see if it moved up 20 inches. This is a bit simplified, but gives you a good idea of how this scope tracks, and both of our test models perform perfectly. When we shoot long range, this scope gets you on target and back to zero precisely each and every time. Throughout all of our testing, this ZEISS Conquest V6 was nothing short of exemplary. The repeatability and clarity of this German-made optics is exactly what you would expect with a name like ZEISS on it. It's also covered by ZEISS's limited lifetime transferable warranty and 5-year no-fault policy. So if you're looking for a scope for your new long-range rifle this year, make sure you give ZEISS Conquest V6 a try. You won't be disappointed.